Welcome to GK at Amostri. What is the longest bridge above water in India? A. Mahatma Gandhi Setu, Patna. B. Atal Setu Bridge, Maharashtra. C. Bandra Worli Sea Link, Mumbai. D. Vidyasagar Setu, Kolkata. B. Atal Setu Bridge, Maharashtra. It is the longest bridge above water in India, spanning 21.8 kilometers. It is also longest sea bridge in India, and the bridge is a 6-lane structure that connects Mumbai to Pune, Goa and South India. Which state has largest forest area in India? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Assam. D. Kerala. A. Madhya Pradesh, and it has the largest forest cover in the country, followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Maharashtra. What is the highest waterfall in India? A. Jog Falls, Karnataka. B. Dudhsagar Falls, Goa. C. Kunchikal Falls, Karnataka. D. Atirapalli Falls, Kerala. C. Kunchikal Falls, Karnataka in Shimoga district, Karnataka is the highest waterfall in India with the height of 1493 feet. Which river is longest in India? A. Yamuna. B. Ganga. C. Godavari. D. Krishna. A. Ganga is the longest river in India, measuring 2525 kilometers in length, and also the Ganges originated from Gangotri Glacier in Himalaya and flows through Gangetic Plain before draining into the Bay of Bengal. Which is the tallest statue in India? A. Statue of Unity, Gujarat. B. Sardar Patel Statue, Gujarat. C. Buddha Statue, Sikkim. D. None of these. A. Statue of Unity, Gujarat, and it is the tallest statue in India and the world, standing at 597 feet tall, and also the statue is located on Narmada River in Kevedriya colony of Gujarat, India. It depicts Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which state has longest coastline in India? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Gujarat. D. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat has the longest coastline in India. Its length is 1600 km, almost 24% of India's sea coast. And Tamil Nadu is the second coastline in India at 1076 km. Which is the highest lake in India? A. Guru Donmar Lake, Sikkim. B. Pangong TSO, Ladakh. C. Dal Lake, Jammu and Kashmir. D. Ular Lake, Jammu and Kashmir. A. Guru Donmar Lake, Sikkim is one of the highest lake in the world and India, located at an altitude of 17,800 feet in Sikkim. What is the largest zoo in India? A. Mysuru Zoo, Karnataka. B. Vandalur Zoo, Tamil Nadu. C. Sanjay Gandhi Biological Park, Bihar. D. Nehru Zoological Park, Telangana. B. Vandalur Zoo, Tamil Nadu is the largest zoo in India, and Aranyaranna Zoological Park is also known as Vandalur Zoo in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It covers about 1,300 acres. What is the longest railway platform in India? A. Howrah Junction, West Bengal. B. Hubballi Junction, Karnataka. C. Kharagpur Junction, West Bengal. D. Vijayawada Junction, Andhra Pradesh. B. Hubballi Junction, Karnataka, India holds the title the world's longest railway platform. It measures an impressive 1,507 meters length. Which planetarium is the largest in India? A. Nehru Planetarium, New Delhi. B. Birla Planetarium, Kolkata. C. Priyadarshini Planetarium, Mumbai. D. Indira Gandhi Planetarium, Lucknow. B. Birla Planetarium, Kolkata, in West Bengal is the largest planetarium in Asia and the second largest in the world. Which state of India has the largest area? A. Rajasthan, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Uttar Pradesh. A. Rajasthan is the largest state in India by area, covering 3,42,239 square kilometers. This is about 10.4% of India's total land, and the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Which is the highest airport in India? A. Kushok Bakulla Rinpoche Airport, Leh. B. Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. C. Kompigoda International Airport. D. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai. A. Kushok Bakulla Rinpoche Airport, Leh is a military airfield of Indian Air Force as well as domestic airport serving Leh, the capital of Ladakh, India, situated as 3,256 meters above mean sea level. It is the highest commercial airport in India and one of the highest in the world. Which is the longest passenger train route in India? A. Howrah to Chennai, B. Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari, C. Jammu Tawi to Kanyakumari, D. Delhi to Thiruvananthapuram. B. Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari, and the Kanyakumari-Dibrugarh Vivek Superfast Express is the special train that travels all the way of Dibrugarh in Assam to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. It is the longest train route in India, taking about 74 hours 35 minutes to cover the distance of 4,218.6 km. What is the longest animal fair in India? A. Pushkar Fair, Rajasthan, B. Sonipur Mela, Bihar, C. Kumbh Mela, Uttar Pradesh, D. Surajkot Mela, Haryana. B. Sonipur Mela, Bihar. The Sonipur Cattle Fair in Bihar is the largest cattle fair in Asia and held on Kartik Purnima, the full moon day in November and December. Which river is longest in South India? A. Krishna, B. Godavari, C. Kaveri, D. Narmada. B. Godavari is the longest river in South India. It perhaps for this reason that is called South Ganga or Dakshin Ganga. Answer for last video was Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. There are 3 national festivals of India, and Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August, Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January and Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. This day is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. The video is available on iQuod. What is the highest gallantry award in India? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.